Hey guys, hey guys, very good evening and good morning, good evening. And today we will be starting our first video of our TypeScript course. And in this video, we will be learning how to install TypeScript. So installing TypeScript is very easy. What we can do is that we can navigate to TypeScript page, official TypeScript page, and here we will see how to set up TypeScript in our application. So let's suppose we are using npm. So this is how we can do it. Npm install TypeScript save dev. So this is basically in your TypeScript in your project. So suppose there is a project and we want to do it for our project, then in that case we have to set TypeScript like that. And for installing TypeScript, what we should have is that we can see that we should have npm yarn or pnp installed. So for that we can check if we have npm installed or not in our system, and with that we can see that there is a npm is installed and it is showing all list of commands we can use. This version, this. So we can, I think TypeScript is already installed in my system, but I will reinstall it and I will be doing it globally so that I can use it not just in my project but anywhere I want in this particular system. And for this particular command is used, we can navigate to this particular project, this particular web page, and we can basically run TypeScript like this. See how to globally install TypeScript, and once we are doing it, we see that it is installed. And for seeing that if it is installed or not, we can uh, there was a command for it, and it was, I think it was tsc, to check if it is installed or not. And when we type tsc, we see that there is a bunch of commands options which are coming, and which means that tsc is, I mean TypeScript is correctly installed in our system. So this is how it is, how to install TypeScript in our uh, system. And very soon we will be starting TypeScript. We will be seeing various features of TypeScript and creating projects, and also we will be seeing how to use TypeScript in React.js. So thank you guys, thanks for this, for seeing this video, and please subscribe this channel, and please subscribe, like this video. It is a great support if you like and subscribe this video, and also share if possible, because I am very new to YouTube and I need your support. Thanks a lot guys, thank you.